Now in this demonstration, we'll see how you can use a select statement to actually copy data between tables. Now this begins with an insert. You can see our first line here is an insert into, then a table, and then we still have a list of columns, but we don't have a values list. Instead, we have a select statement. Now, to quickly set this up, you'll typically find this in a scenario where maybe you have an archive table. So you've got a table that contains sort of the current data, sometimes referred to as hot data, that is very frequently queried, very frequently analyzed. But then after a while, that data simply is not really necessary anymore. You don't want to delete it, but you don't need it in that primary table, for lack of a better word. So you create an archive table, and you simply copy the data into the archive table, and then you can periodically delete it out of the original if you want to. But that's just one example. In any scenario where you want to copy data from one place to another, you can use an insert into with a select. So to simply demonstrate that in this case, I have made a copy of the actor table, again, just because it's small and simple. And I did that by just right-clicking the original actor table, choosing this Send to SQL Editor as a create statement. And that generated this code right here. So that would recreate the table in terms of its structure. So all I did was to change the name. You can see it's now called actor copy. Otherwise, it's identical. So I've already executed this, and you can see there is the table right here, actor copy. And if we click the little spreadsheet button, you can see that it currently has no records.